All right, here we go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Want to do a quick video on Apple Glass that was just leaked by John. This guy is just on fire. Now, one of the big things that really caught me off guard about these glasses is the price, which is $500, which is a deal. I'm pretty sure I'll be putting this on some sort of payment plan, or I might just buy them outright, but I'm not sure. But you know, one of the things I kind of thought about is with these glasses is the competition. And I'll talk a little bit more about the details and the features as the video goes on, but Google and Amazon, they are watching. And there's another small company out there from Canada called North. I'm sure they're watching as well. Everyone's trying to get a piece of this market share at this point, and you know, they're trying to figure out how can I release the next biggest thing. Now, we should see these at market late 2021 or early 2022. And some of the features that we should be seeing with these glasses is a dual screen heads-up display, which is going to be kind of cool. And apparently, when you're looking at the screens, no one else can tell that you're looking at the screens with these AR glasses, which is kind of cool. If you think about it, Google had a single lens, and you can kind of see if you were looking at something. And North also had a single lens as well. So this is going to be interesting to see in terms of how we actually see things with these glasses. Now, to charge these glasses, it's going to be wireless. I mean, everything Apple is doing is wireless. So these will be wireless. And that John was saying that they were thinking of announcing these at the end of maybe at the iPhone 12 event late this year, but with the coronavirus, we may have to wait till next year because, you know, Apple's trying to get a lot of coverage with this. So if no one's at the keynote, how much coverage can they actually get? My guess is we're probably going to see this announced early 2021, but only time will tell. Apple, be careful what you announce. Remember AirPower. Remember the HomePod, all that stuff just took forever. Now, one of the things I'm not really too excited about is how you're going to be able to control these glasses. John is saying that there's going to be gestures that you're going to be able to control these with. So not too happy about that. I was looking for something just a little bit more subtle, right? Something where someone didn't really know that you were using the glasses itself. Similar to something like the North Loop, where you can control your AR glasses from your finger with a finger ring. So we'll definitely have to see what comes of this. I am really excited. Apple, take my money. If you guys have any comments, leave them below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys